Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 6 Geography NCERT chapter number 5 Major Domains of the Earth. Question number 1. Answer the following questions briefly. Part A. Where are the four major domains of the Earth? Answer. The four major domains of the Earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Number B. Name the major continents of the Earth. Answer. The major continents of the Earth are Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Europe and Antarctica. Now C part. Name the different layers of atmosphere. The different layers of atmosphere are exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere and troposphere. D part. Name the two continents that lie entirely in the southern hemisphere. Answer. The two continents that lie entirely in southern hemisphere are first Australia and second Antarctica. E part. Why is the Earth called the blue planet? Answer. The Earth is called the blue planet because more than 71% of Earth is covered with water and 29% with land. F part. Why is the northern hemisphere called the land hemisphere? Answer. The northern hemisphere is called land hemisphere because most of the land masses lie in northern hemisphere. Now G part. Why is the biosphere important for living organisms? Answer. Biosphere is important for living organisms in following ways. Number 1. The biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between the land, water and air. Second part. Biosphere is divided into two kingdoms, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. They both are interdependent on each other. Third point. Biosphere has the sources for existence of life. Now let's move to question number 2. Take the correct answers. A part. The mountain range that separates the Europe from Asia is the Urals. B part. The continent of North America is linked to South America by an isthmus. C part. The major constituent of atmosphere by percent is nitrogen. D part. The domain of the earth consisting of solid rocks is the lithosphere. E part. Which is the largest continent? Answer. Asia. Now question number 3. Filling the blanks. A part. The deepest point on the earth is Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. Point 2. The Indian Ocean is named after a country. Third part. The biosphere is a narrow contact zone of land, water and air that supports life. Fourth part. The continents of Europe and Asia together are known as Eurasia. Fifth point. The highest mountain peak on the earth is Mount Everest. Thank you students. Now the chapter is complete. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.